Okay, for actual knife sharpening, you need a sharpening stone and you need the guide clip. It does many things. I'm going to show you why. The guide clip goes right over the knife. It's plastic lined stainless steel. The guide clip gives you now the perfect angle on the left and on the right. That's what you need. Now, if you don't have a diamond stone like this, that's fine. Let's just say you have a regular sharpening, 1000 grit, made in Japan. This is a super stone, really nice. Your stone should be wet, same thing. Left and right, same angle. So for wet, you don't need to soak it, you just apply a little bit of water, like this, a little bit of water on the stone, so it's wet, and you go like this. Keep some pressure on the knife, use the guide clip. Repeat, other side. Take the clip off. Let's check it. Wipe it off first. Okay. Now, got a clean piece of paper. Let's see just what this knife did with the sharpening stone. Yeah, it's sharper. That is knife sharpening. I'm going to repeat a few more things. Here we go. Back to this dull utility knife I showed you earlier. You can do it without the guide clip, but you'll never get the exact angle. I'll show you. This is about 15 degrees. 15 degrees. Wipe it off. Check it on a piece of paper. Sharper? Yes. As sharp as my other knives? No. This knife is sharp, however I'm going to use the diamond stone and get it sharper. A little bit of water. Move the water around. The stone is now wet. Correct angle. That's all it takes, few strokes. Okay, clip comes off, wipe off the knife, check it on a piece of paper. Here we go. The knife is sharper. I'm going to touch on one more thing. However, this is what you need: a sharpening stone and the guide clip. You can get them at the sponsor, of course. Support small business. Buy the best quality the first time. Avoid the mass-marketed junk. You know who sells all that stuff, right? Switcheroos, cheapy knockoffs.